Honestly, when I first came here, I heard about the opportunities from my parents and things, but all I really seen was the stuff that got a normal teenager's attention. But I realized in 9th and 10th grade that like, my future is in my hands, and whether that be academically, whether it be athletically, and things inside socially and stuff like that. Right now is my time to really get the most out, especially here whenever we have so many opportunities, and I'm just here to just take advantage of them. The opportunities that I'm receiving here at MHS are dual enrollment with college courses, getting college credits, varsity men's basketball, which is a family in itself, and employment at the Hershey Medical Center. So 10th grade started off with the internship. Then I did it again my 11th grade summer. And it's directly working with the director of the Cancer Institute. I've been working firsthand on her project, which is trying to find some type of cure for breast cancer. One of the hardest to fight breast cancer is called triple negative. The most important thing of the opportunity that I'm getting here is a base. And whenever Emile Hershey says that they care more about your character, honestly, that's the biggest opportunity that I had, because growing up in Philly, I don't think I would have been able to get the same character development that I do here.